students, welcome back to the career platform. I am Anuradha, your maths teacher. Here in this video I will cover exercise 4.4. So here the question number 1 is draw the rough sketch of a triangle ABC. So we will draw first triangle ABC like this, okay, having 3 sides and a closed curve. Okay, this is a closed curve having 3 sides and I am naming this ABC. Okay, this is the rough sketch and it is saying mark a point P in its interior. So interior is this one, this area, so I am marking point P, and a point Q in its exterior. So this is the exterior point of the triangle, right? So what is it is asking is the point A, this one is in its exterior or in its interior. So here you can see that A is lying on the triangle ABC, not in the interior and exterior. So okay, so it is in the point lies on the triangle ABC. So you have to write like this: A lies on triangle ABC, right? So point A, here point A, okay, I am denoting with the mark point, okay. So point A lies neither in its exterior nor its interior. Okay, so this is the solution for the question number 1, exercise 4.4. Okay students, let's come to the next question, that is question number 2. Here you have to identify 3 triangles in the figure. You have to see this figure. Okay, here you can see this is one triangle. Okay, ABC is one triangle. Okay, so triangle ABC is one. Number second is ABD. You can see here, if you like this, okay, this is one triangle, and if you see from here, okay, so this is one triangle. Okay, so total is 3 triangles, triangle ABD and triangle ADC. So these are the 3 triangles we had identified. Now come to the B part. Write the names of 7 angles. Here you can see this is 1, 2, 3, okay, 4, 5, 6, 7, like this. So you have to name, okay, in the angles where it is the angle, so that will be in the middle in naming. So first I will start with ABD, okay, angle ABC, angle BAD, this is BAD, okay, angle ADB, this is ADB, right? Now come to this angle, angle ADC, angle, this angle is DAC, this angle is ACB. You can write ACB or ACD, the same angle, okay, this is the common angle, and here you can see ABD or ABC, you can take any one, okay, and this angle is BAC and angle BAC. So here you can see these are the total 7 angles. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7, right? So these are the 7 angles. Now the C part, come to the C part. Write the names of 6 line segments. So here line segments, we know that the polygons are made by the line segments. So this is the polygon, okay. So here line segment means sides. You have to count the sides. Here AB is one line segment, AB. You have to mark like this. for the line segment. 2 dots with one line. Okay, AB, then BD, BD, BC, AC, CD, this is CD, this is one line, and AD. Okay, so you can count it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So total is 6 line segment. You should remember that you have to mark like this for the line segment, and for the line, what it is the marking? With arrow. Okay, this is for line, and this is for line segment, and for ray, 1 dot and 1 arrow. Okay, if it is ray. So this is necessary to put in the names. Okay. Number D is, which two triangles have angle B as common? So angle B is common. You can see ABC is one triangle and ABD is one triangle. So that angle B is common. So two triangles is naming triangle ABD and triangle ABC. Okay, so this is the last question of exercise 4.4. So I hope you understand up till here. In the next video I will cover exercise 4.5. So up till here. So please like, share, comment and subscribe this channel. Thank you and have a nice day.